Hey drummers, welcome to Hairta drum lesson number 16, Hairtas in the groove. What we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to play Hairtas on the hi-hat while maintaining a steady 2 and 4 groove. And it's pretty challenging, but it's very rewarding, sounds super busy and intricate, but it's not too intrusive. You know, the band is still hearing boom, bop, but you're doing this super hip polyrhythmic thing on top of it. The notation is a little bit frightening. So what I suggest you do is think of it as if it were an 8/8 time rather than 4/4 time. What do I mean by that? Well, if we were an 8/8 time, the eighth notes, the notes that were connected by one beam, are counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 16th notes, 2 beams, are counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the 32nd notes are counted 1 eana, 2 eana, 3 eana, 4 eana. I know that sounds a little bit weird. Let me say the first example. We'll put the first example on the screen right now and I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 en, 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 en, 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 en, 1. If you can say it, you can play it. So try counting it out loud like I just did. I will include the counting above every one of the examples so that you can really understand it as well as see me play it. In the second example, I'm going to play the same thing with 2 Hairtas, but I'm just going to play it twice within the bar. Third example, we're going to have 3 Hairtas. Fourth example, you guessed it, 4 Hairtas. Fifth example, we're going to have 5 Hairtas, and we're getting pretty close to the point where we're playing Hairtas all the time throughout the pattern. Take these very slowly at first. Get used to the counting and the feel and make sure you're maintaining the steady 1, 2, 3, 4. The last example, number 6, I'm playing continuous Hairtas, but I'm starting with the left hand on the 1. The Hairtas start on the E of 1. And you'll notice that the pattern is in 6/4 time. That's because it takes 6 beats for it to repeat again. All right, that's Hairta drum lesson number 16, Hairtas in the groove. You may have noticed at the very beginning of this lesson, I played some Hairtas on the hi-hat, but I was playing a little bit funkier bass drum. And that's totally possible. Just make sure you get really good at boom, bop with the Hairtas before you make it fancier. Okay? All right, I'm Jim Linsner. Check me out at drumlessonsbuffalo.com and YouTube and Instagram.